Attention all crew, attention all crew. Fire and cargo hold. All crew to their station.
Rushing to the cargo hold. Active the fire suppression system. Close vents. We need to contain this immediately.
Firefighter on the radio. The CO2 system is activated but the fire is still growing. We need more foam.
Send out an SOS. Prepare for evacuation if it spreads.
In the cargo hold, working with the crew, we have got it under control. Keep checking for a spot. The fire nearly out.
Great work, everyone. Stay alert. We'll finish the investigation once we are clear